Hello students, today I am going to discuss on the third part of relationship of sociology with other social sciences. In our previous videos, we have already discussed about this relationship between sociology and history, sociology and anthropology, sociology and history. Today we are going to discuss on the relationship between sociology and psychology. So sociology is a science where we studies about the society, but psychology studies about human behavior. Sociology is a science of society, hence it is closely related to other social sciences and also with psychology. Sociology and psychology are very closely interlinked, interrelated and interdependent. Relationship between the two is so close and intimate that psychologists like Carl Pearson refuses to accept both as special science. Both depend on each other for their own comprehension. The relationship will be clear if we analyze their interrelationship and mutual dependency. Sociology is a science of social phenomena and social relationship. It is a science of social group and social institutions. It is a science of collective behavior. It studies human behavior in groups. But psychology is a science of mind and mental processes. It is a science of human behavior. It analyzes attitudes, emotions, perceptions, processes of learning and values of individual and processes of personality formation in society. In the words of Thouless, psychology is the positive science of human experience and behavior. But both the sciences are closely related. Sociology receives help from psychology. Psychology is a part of sociology. Hence, without the help from psychology, sociology cannot understand itself fully and properly. There are many psychologists like Freud, McDougall, and others who have enriched sociology in many respects. They opines that the whole social life would be reduced finally to psychological forces. Each and every social problems and social phenomenon must have a psychological basis for the solution of which sociology requires the help from psychology. A new branch of knowledge has developed with the combination of sociology and psychology, which is known as social psychology. Similarly, psychology depends on sociology to comprehend itself fully. Psychology also requires help from sociology in many cases, as human mind and personality is being influenced by social environment, culture, custom and tradition. Hence psychology take the help from sociology to understand this. To understand human nature and behavior properly, psychology depends on sociology. There are many psychological problems which must have a social cause. Psychology requires the help from sociology to understand the social problems. A research in sociology richly contributes to psychology. Contributions and theories of many sociologists also are of great help to psychologists. Thus, sociology and psychology are mutually dependent on each other. One cannot comprehend itself without the help from each other. Besides, there are some common areas of study such as social disorganization, public opinion, etc., which are being studied by both sociologists and psychologists. Apart from these similarities between sociology and psychology, there are some differences also. Let's discuss about the differences between sociology and psychology. In spite of mutual relationship and dependence, both the sciences differ from each other in different ways. Sociology is a science of society, but psychology is a science of mind. scope of sociology is wide, whereas the scope of sociology is limited. Society is the unit of study in sociology, but individual is the unit of study in case of psychology. Sociology studies social processes, whereas psychology studies mental processes. Sociology studies and analyzes human behavior from sociological angle, whereas psychology studies and analyzes human behavior from psychological angles. So, sociology and psychology, in many ways, they are interrelated with each other. For the study of their own subject matter, both are interdependent, and there are some differences also between these two social sciences because their subject matter, their scope of study area is different from each other. So, sociology always give importance on society. It encompasses all the aspects of society when study its subject matter. But on the other hand, psychology give importance on the individual behavior. In that way, there are also some differences between sociology and psychology. So, this is all about today's lecture. Thank you so much.